Three Ford factory seats provide safe seating both on and off the road. The front passenger seat swivels around, giving guests a space to enjoy meals together, play cards, or to work remotely. The full-size bed has a memory foam mattress so you can get a great night's sleep on your vacation. A second bed can be added on at booking at no extra cost. The van has plenty of storage space. We provide organizers for your clothes, shoes, and other personal items. For larger items like dog kennels, inflatable paddle boards, or even golf bags, you'll find plenty of room under and beside the bed. For bikes, you can add on the rear door aluminous bike rack, which holds 2 bikes. 2 additional adult-sized bikes can fit under the bed. The kitchenette with a sink and shower hose has 6-gallon clean and dirty water tanks, so you can have warm water off-grid without the need to pay extra for full hookups at campsites. The fridge doubles as an extra seat and has a whopping 72-can capacity. We treat our camper like a vacation home, providing you with all the cooking and grilling equipment you would expect at a traditional rental property, including enough mugs, plates, and utensils for 4 people. In addition to the included Keurig coffee maker, electric skillet, toaster, and kettle, you can add on our Ranger, Solo stove, and cast iron cooktop. The camper has a rooftop AC and ceiling fan as well as a heater. A lithium battery powers all appliances both on and off grid. The battery is charged in 3 ways. First, by plugging it in with a provided extension cord. Second, solar panels continuously trickle charge during daylight hours. And finally, for longer off-grid camping, we do offer a generator as an add-on. Our camper van is completely dog-friendly and dogs ride free without any breed or weight restrictions. We'll send you with our favorite no-spill dog bowls by Rock Your Designs, a cable tie-out and stake, waist bags, dog seatbelts, a microfiber towel, and a Waggle RV temperature monitor in case you need to leave Fido in the air-conditioned van for a short period of time. Complimentary unlimited Wi-Fi and SiriusXM are included with every rental. The 32-inch smart TV drops down from the ceiling and connects to a soundbar so you can properly binge watch Netflix.